Hey guys, Vacuum Wizard here again today from Superior Vacuums. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the Redkey F10 stick vacuum. First we're going to be going over a general overview of the vacuum, some features that this vacuum has, what makes it stand out, and then finally some pros and cons about the machine. Okay guys, to do a quick overview about this machine, first off, it has a 5-year warranty. It is extremely powerful with 5-stage suction. It has 2 sets of HEPA filters, so you have one guy there and one guy here. Those HEPA filters are 3-stage HEPA filters as well. The last thing is that this build quality is equivalent to any of your big brand stick vacuums on the market. So the first great thing about this 3-in-1 stick vacuum is its 5-speed variable suction. So first of all, you don't have to hold the trigger, you turn that guy on there, and you just click this up button. So that makes vacuum convenient and a breeze. The next feature about this guy is its 3-stage filtration. So you have 2 filters, you have one here that you can replace, and you have your second one right here. This is your exhaust filter that you can replace as well. So being in the vacuum industry so long, I've seen anything from plugs to broken rollers to melted vacuums. But something that I really enjoy about this stick vacuum is its auto detect mode. So when you turn this guy on, it has a button here that says auto. You push that and it'll adjust the suction to how much dirt you're vacuuming. Now, the next great thing about this, since we have the machine on, is anti-plug. So let's say, for example, you're vacuuming and it gets plugged. It'll then turn off by itself to make sure that you don't burn your motor or wear out your battery. So another great feature is, of course, this guy can be charged on its docking station. So you'd hang that guy just like that and you can charge it with the 2 pins in the back. However, this guy, you can actually remove the battery and charge it on your kitchen countertop using the included charger in the box. Another great feature that I love about this vacuum is its foldable wand. So say you're trying to get under a couch or your dresser or your bed or anything like that. You push this button right here and now that guy can go right 90 degrees and get right under any upholstery, any furniture, anything you like it to get under. So like I said, it has a lot of features. Another one of the great features is it has LED lights on the power head, whereas its competitors don't. And a last great feature about this stick vacuum here is the fact that you can remove the brush without any tools. You push this button here, you turn off the end cap, and then you just pull straight out, and now you can clean up your roller if there's any hair wrapped around here or any mess you want to clean up off the roller, you can do it that way. Next up, as you can see, everything that comes in the box with this machine. So you get your power head here, your crevice tool here. There's an extendable crevice tool so you can actually adjust it to different lengths. You get a upholstery and dusting brush here, so that would be your upholstery side. You push this button and it extends your dusting brush there. You get your battery in the box, you get a spare filter right in the box, you don't have to buy any. You get the wall mount with some screws and your manual. You get a charger here, the machine itself with its 2 filters installed, and then that foldable wand that I mentioned. Last thing we'll do is mention some pros and cons about this machine in comparison to other stick vacuums. So some pros are, for example, you get that flexible wand. I've never seen that on a stick vacuum before. Another pro would be the battery life is really good on this guy. It's 60 minutes on low and about 30 minutes on high. The other thing is you get great warranty at 5 years warranty. It's a great value for the money. So you're paying $499 instead of $699, so you're saving $200 on the machine. But even at $699, it's still half the price of a brand new Dyson today. And then some cons are with this guy is it has a little bit too much suction sometimes, so you don't want to use it on high suction all the time. Just because with those 5 levels of suction, you don't want to use it on the 5th level constantly. It'll drain your battery, it'll plug the machine, and it's just not a great idea unless you really need it. And then another con is it does come with fewer attachments than some of the other stick vacuums on the market, being that you get the 2 attachments. One of them is a combination attachment, which is great. I mean, it's good stuff, it's good quality attachments there, but some vacuums come with a little bit more. Thanks for watching today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Before I let you guys go today, I'll give you guys some recommendations. So for any stick vacuum, including the Redkey F10 or any Dyson model, any stick vacuum you can think of, one of the things you don't want to do is you don't want to use it on high pile areas and no high traffic areas either. If you're going to do that, you'll want to clean it more frequently to avoid plugs in your power head, to avoid plugs in your wand, and to avoid plugs in your cylinder. The second piece of advice I'd like to give you guys today is not to use any stick vacuum on maximum suction, being level 5 on the Redkey F10 or level 2 on your Dyson stick vacuum. Reason being is because you will plug your power head, your wand, and your cylinder more quickly. It'll kill your motor faster, it'll kill your battery faster, it'll cause the machine to need servicing more frequently. So I would avoid using it when you don't have to, but of course you can use it when necessary. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you next time.